Subject English, grade senior high school. Topic Procedure text. Aim students will know procedure text of food and drinks. Objective students will be able to adding a new vocabulary of steps procedure text. Second, students will be able to study pronunciation fluently. Third, students will be able to study speaking confidently, and then students will be comprehend of simple present tense. Materials, procedure text, and the equipments are laptop and flashcard. Procedures. At introduction, the teacher gives icebreaking before start the lesson. Main activity. First, the teacher explains what is text procedures. Second, the teacher divides the students into groups. Each group consists two students. Third, the teachers provide some picture on the ingredients. Fourth, the teacher asks the students to choose one of four topics to make something. After choosing one topic, the students ask for finding out the picture that must be appropriate with the topic. And then the students make methods or steps how to make it depend on the topic what they have chosen. And then the teacher asks each group to stand up in front of the class to present their result. At closing, the teacher closing the session before leaving the class, and then the teacher clears up the material.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine. Okay, today we will learn about procedure text. Because the projector is not available in this classroom, I will share the material at your group class. Is it okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, open your material please. Procedure text. Sela, please read number 1.
Number 1. About procedure. Procedure is a text that shows a process in order. The social functions of procedure is to tell or describe the reader how to do or make something through a sequence.
Jadi prosedur teks itu sebuah urutan atau sebuah cara. Biasanya kita menemui itu dalam kemasan makanan atau untuk membuat makanan, dan bisa juga step-step kita menggunakan barang seperti cara menggunakan printer, komputer, dan semacamnya. Bisa dipahami?
Yes, Miss.
Selanjutnya, Fian.
Types of procedure. Types that instruct how to do a particular activity, a set of things, sign experiment, rules safety rules. Types that instruct how to operate things, how to do operate a machine, the computer, the photocopier.
Jadi ada dua tipe dalam prosedur teks. Yang pertama itu adalah teks untuk melakukan aktivitas seperti membuat resep makanan, seperti cara-cara bermain game dan sebagainya. Yang kedua itu adalah instruksi saat kita menggunakan barang, seperti yang dijelaskan adalah cara menggunakan komputer, cara menggunakan mesin fotokopi dan sebagainya. Bisa dipahami?
Yes, Miss.
Selanjutnya, Alfi.
Generic structure. Number 1 is goal or aim, and then materials, method, steps what is to be done or showing the purpose, and then listed in order of use includes items needed to complete task or telling the needed material, and then a series of steps to achieve the purpose.
Jadi ada 3 generic structure dalam procedure text. Yang pertama adalah tujuannya. Tujuan itu yang dimaksud adalah sesuatu yang harus kita lakukan itu. Jadi seperti cara membuat pisang goreng itu tujuannya. Jadi adalah membuat pisang goreng tadi. Hal yang kedua ada material. Material itu adalah bahan-bahan yang digunakan dan diperlukan dalam suatu prosesnya. Yang ketiga adalah metode. Metode itu adalah sebuah cara untuk satu tujuan itu. Sampai sini bisa dipahami?
Yes.
Oke, yang terakhir. Setelah bisa dibacakan lagi.
Okay, Miss. Language feature using action verb, cut, fold, twist, hold, slice, pound, cook, and other. Using imperative sentence, using simple present tense, linking words to do with time, first, when, that are used to connect the text.
Okay, the material is done. So next is we will practice about procedure text. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, Miss. I'm ready.
Okay, this is fourth topic. You can choose by yourself. Please choose the topic that you want. Pelajari gambarnya baik-baik. Nanti saya akan meminta kalian untuk mempresentasikan hasil dari yang gambar yang kalian dapatkan. Sampai sini bisa dipahami?
Bisa, Miss.
Saya beri waktu 10 menit ya untuk mengurutkannya. Okay, time is up. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, number 1, please, Alfie. What did you get?
I get how to make orange juice, and I will show the step how to make orange juice. Number 1 is prepare the fresh orange fruit, and then peel the skin and fiber. The third is enter into blender, and then combine water and ice cubes, and then blender for about 3 minutes, and then pour into a glass, and then oranges are ready to be enjoyed.
Give applause, please. Thank you, Alfie, for your explanation. Okay, the next is Sela.
Yes, Miss.
Sela, what do you get?
I get whole milk.
Okay, please.
I will show how to make whole milk. First, boil milk. Second, wait until the milk boiling 7 until 10 minutes. Put the boiling milk into a glass, big size. And 4, add a spoonful sugar. 5, stir well. The milk is ready to be drink.
Give applause to Sela. Yay. Okay, the last is Vian. Vian, are you ready?
Yes, Miss. I want to tell about how to make lemon tea. The first is brew tea packed in 15 ml of hot water, and then add sugar, and then stir until evenly distributed. The third is squeeze the lemon, then pour lemon juice into the tea, and then add a scoop of cold water, and the last is as lemon tea is ready to be served.
Okay, give applause. Yay. Okay, time is up. That's all for our lesson. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your participation in my class. See you next week.
See you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.